welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, this car, the Honda Accord Type S, the CL9, my 2.4 litre beast, is gonna really be Project Sulk. It's actually gonna be Project Sulk. Now, any of my older viewers, let's say, viewers that have been with me for a while, from the mini days, you'll know what I mean by that. But I'll add this little clip in now. So it's taken me quite a while to get the number plate holder off the front bumper. I don't know why, it just did. I don't like number plate holders, I think they look rubbish. I'm gonna try and get the number plate that I'm gonna put on it, my private reg, over the bumper, just over the bumper straight away, why not? And then I've got some decals, and then we've got the win. But it started raining, so we'll see. It might just be the number plates. So first off, before I'm gonna stick them on, I washed the car today, although it's started raining, like I just said, and I didn't wash it very well. I had my 2-year-old daughter with me, so that was easy. But I'm gonna put some panel cleaner on the bumper to make sure that I've got a nice surface to stick the number plate on. And there we go. Already nice washed car. Not that well washed, but we've got a clean panel. So let's get the number plate. Yep, that's the number plate. So any of you that haven't seen my mini content, this is the number plate that was stuck on the mini that my wife bought for me. And yeah, this officially makes it Project Sulk. So let's line up the number plate before I properly attach it. So that packet's open, I butchered it, but it's all good. And I hope that should stick like that. And that'll look damn sexy. So let's get it stuck on. And as always with the wonderful Halfords, 4 stickers in a box. 4. So thankfully I bought 3 boxes, knowing that it wouldn't be enough. But let's just see how secure that would make it. I think I need another couple, one on the centre there. So. Finally, they're unstuck, so. So yeah, that does look actually pretty spot on. So let's take the camera and have a look straight on. So yeah, if we ignore the camber of my drive, that does look pretty damn central. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that's central. So now it's time for the back, and yeah, it's raining really hard now, so I don't think I'm going to do the decals in this video, which is a bit disappointing. So we've got to make sure it's going to be nice and straight when it's sat on there. So if I follow the marks of the previous one, it should be there and there. Okay. And there we have it. The rear's on. It is straight. The angle we're at isn't making it look straight, but it definitely is. The car is now Project Sulk properly. It's properly Project Sulk. So let's do a little run around. So rain has unfortunately stopped play, as the cricket term goes, frustrating. I've managed to get the number plates on. Hopefully they'll stick. Thankfully, I've still got a few number plate strips left. Should the front one, which I had to readjust, you know, start sliding off in the summer sun, or with the spring wet showers, spring showers. And if it does, I've got some spares. I can reattach it. Let's hope it doesn't come flying off when I'm driving it. But there's still quite a few things to do before I'm going to take it on a big road trip, or at least running down some country lanes. You know, there's still a little bit more to do. But the car is getting there. The springs are settling superbly well. Essentially, we are getting there. And Project Sulk now has the Project Sulk number plates on, so I'm blown away by that. But before I ramble on too much, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a little bit of a weird one. I'm going to edit it down so it's not particularly long at all. I just thought it'd be nice to sort of, you know, unveil what essentially establishes my car as Project Sulk. And the number plates are a huge part of it. The decals that will be going on when it's not raining, they are the other aspect of it. You know, it's not crazy, it's not stupid stuff. It's essentially, you know, the Instagram tag and a hashtag that I also have tattoos on my neck. So yeah, it's here to stay, at least for the next while. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please subscribe. Check out SULKNATIONtv on Facebook and Instagram. It's Project Sulk on Instagram. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. And fuck you, rain. Had to wait for my daughter to go to bed. It's been sunny all day, and it chooses to rain. So, fuck you, rain. Auf Wiedersehen.